Good morning. What fourth grade is doing is we are going over all of the tasks that you have for next week. So you have to choose a couple of them. What we're going over all of them. So for this video, I am going over the first one on reading, which is our comic strip. All right. So what you have to do is, or I'll just read the explanation. I'm sure you've had some interesting experiences at home over the last several weeks. Fold a piece of paper into four parts and write a fictional comic strip with speech bubbles about something that has happened since you've been out of school. Use both sides of paper as needed. Use characters from your family or school. So they give you an example right here, but that's really tiny. Um, I honestly couldn't read it, so I found another one that I used. I'm not sure if you guys have ever read Foxtrot. I really like Foxtrot. I think it's funny. But this is just an example of something that may have happened during the break and during all that stuff. So I'll read it for you. First, and as you notice, it said fold your paper into four sheets. Or four parts. You can use more than four, as it says, use the back of the paper as needed. And we're talking about a regular piece of paper. Just fold it into fours and, make it look like a comic strip, just like this. This one used six. All you have to do is use four, but if you want to use more than four, go for it. Remember, more detail, the better. So the first one, aren't you supposed to be working on your history paper? I'm taking a break. Every time I write a certain number of words, I reward myself with a 10-minute snack break. I find it really boosts my productivity. Well, break time's over. Back to work. He leaves. And anyway, as I was saying, what are you doing? Taking a break after each word? Trust me, it's still a productivity boost. So, this is something that's pretty much dealing with what we're doing now. They're working from home and they're trying to take as many breaks as possible. All right, it's just a funny spin on it. And then notice the speech bubbles right over here. You don't have to write a lot for the speech bubbles. You don't. Some of them have, this one doesn't have any words in it. This one has just a couple. But make sure you are using speech bubbles. And that's just an example of it. You can get really creative with this, especially with drawing, adding color to it. Definitely use your imagination. This is a really fun activity to do in one of these stressful times. Okay, so that's that one. There wasn't much explanation to go with that. It's pretty self-explanatory. If you have any questions, as always, email one of us, and we are happy to get back to you. All right. And other than that, you'll be seeing me a couple more times going over a couple different assignments and a couple different activities. You also see Miss Foster, Miss Porsche, Miss Eddie. All right. So remember, stay safe, wash your hands, have fun.